Want to make your Excel sheets look more professional? In this video, I'll show you how to easily add bullet points in Excel by using shortcuts, symbols, and even formulas. Last one is my favorite. Okay, let's jump right in. Method 1 is the quickest way to insert bullet point. Select the cell, press F2 or double-click to edit. Then use the shortcut Alt+7 on the numeric keypad. That gives you a clean bullet point. Now type your desired text. To go to the next line in the same cell, just press Alt+Enter. And add another bullet by pressing Alt+7. Again, type your text. Now, method 2. Use the Insert Symbol option. Double-click on the cell. Go to the Insert tab on the top ribbon. Click Symbol on the far right. Then scroll and pick your favorite bullet. Click Insert. Then close the dialog box. Type your text. Press Alt+Enter and add another bullet. You can also create bullets using formulas. For example, in a new column, type this formula. =, type bullet point inside the quotation mark. Add an ampersand to join. Now, select the C3 cell. Press Enter. This will add a bullet before the text from cell C3. You can use the CHAR function to insert a bullet point. In any cell, type =CHAR 149. CHAR 149 is the bullet character in Excel's character set. Press Enter. Done. Finally, we're going to automatically add bullet points using custom number formatting. Click on the cell, or select the whole range, where you want this bullet styling. Press Ctrl+1 to open the Format Cells dialog box. Go to the Number tab and choose Custom. Now in the type box, you can type one of the following. If you want the bullet before your text, type this. Hit OK. Or if you want the bullet after your text, type this. Hit OK. You can copy a bullet from Word or any site and paste it into Excel too. It's that simple. And that's it. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more easy Excel tips. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.